Hi guys! Good day, good afternoon, good morning. Kung nasan man po kayo ngayon, I hope you're all doing good, safe, healthy, and happy! Ayan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa garden. At ito, magsisimula na po ang ating pag-aayos ulit ng garden. And this time, maglalagay na po tayo ng mga living wall. Ayan. So, nabanggit ko na po yan sa inyo before that we are going to build living walls dito sa mga areas ng garden para makapagbigay din ng space sa garden natin. Sa tulong po yan ng Masitera. So, Mark is coming over here in a bit. Ayan, hinihintay ko lang po siya. At ito na, magsisimula na kaming i-install. So, napag-usapan na namin kung ano yung mga areas na lalagyan namin ng living wall like this. Itong part na to, guys. Medyo crowded na yung mga halaman dyan. So, mukhang magandang maglagay ng living wall dito. Ayan. And then, yung ibang parts pa. And I will share with you guys yung lahat ng mga tips na i-share sa atin, ay bibigay sa atin ng Masitera or ni Mark from Masitera. At I hope na yung mga tips po na mai-share ay magamit din ninyo if you decide to also create or have living walls in your garden. Ayan. So, hinihintay ko lang po. Mukhang parating na yata sila. Ay, ayan na. Hello, Mark. Halika. Pasok ka. O, diba? Katatapos ko lang mag-intro. At ito na, dumating na si Mark. Halika na. Ready ka na ba for the video? Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan si Mark of Masitera. Ayan. Medyo
Good morning, everybody.
Ayan, medyo mga ilang mga second meeting na natin ito, no? Or third. Ano? Third, tama ba?
Second pala.
Second pala. Second meeting na namin to. So, yung first na punta ni Mark dito ay pinag-usapan namin kung
how we're gonna put everything together.
Oo. At saan yung mga ideal areas for living wall, no? So, yan. So, ngayon, we will start the execution.
Yes, it's a very exciting day today.
Oo, ayan na. So, finally, no?
And the weather's cooperating, so it's not raining.
Oo.
Not too sunny too.
Guys, kilala niyo ba si Mark? Isa yan sa mga experts natin.
Grabe.
Ayan, look at that. Oh, he's wearing the shirt of Masitera. Yes. Ayan, guys. Medyo marami-rami rin kaming nabili noon ng mga halaman from Masitera. Yung mga live selling nila. Yes. At yung yung mga yung inyong soil mix.
Garden supplies.
Mga garden supplies, which you still supply.
Yep.
Which you still, ayan. So, ayan, magiging mahaba-habang usapan po ito. We will take some videos dun sa mga gagawin namin. And of course, Mark will be very generous with
I'll give
tips.
you the tips and tricks and secrets of everything. And watch out, guys. We're gonna be doing, we're gonna be sharing, actually. We've been doing this for quite a while. But we're gonna be sharing our new format for the wall.
Ayan.
Exclusive for Miss Joanne.
Surprise yun. Hindi ko alam. Ngayon lang niya yung sinabi. So,
matutuwa kayo. Sobrang effective to.
Ayan, sige. I'm so excited. So, ayan guys. So, see you later. Abangan nyo yung mga gagawin namin. Alright, sige.
We're gonna be including coco cubes. Tapos sobrang kapal ng wall mo, as in.
Talaga? Pero okay lang.
Ganun siya kakapal.
Gano'n siya kakapal?
Mga 4 inches, 4 to 5 inches. Yep.
Okay, sige.
Just to be sure na talagang
mabubuhay.
Maganda yung kakapitan. Actually, buhay siya sa fiber. Kaya lang si fiber kasi disintegrates faster.
So yung coconut, yung coco cubes, will help it, talaga, parang...
Technically, it's like this Do you have... Wait lang. Ito, the coco pole. Ito, this is the perfect example. So, the cubes, the fiber, the root will cling onto it, diba? Let's take, for example, this one. This one is a moss. The challenge with a moss, kasi I've seen some people do a moss. Okay din yun. But the disadvantages is, una, sobrang mahal. Pangalawa, it's hard to really wet Tapos, ang bilis niyang decompose. So after a while, wala na siya. So our best bet is, instead of putting moss here, we're gonna put coco cubes.
Coco cubes and
fiber.
So combination ng coco cubes and fiber.
We've been doing that for quite a while.
Ayun, yun yung gusto kong
Kaya lang hindi yun nakikita on video.
Alright. So ito, at least tested na. So, kumbaga, ngayon lang yung maipapakita on video.
We'll share.
Pero nagawa na, no?
Yes.
So, ayan. Ayan, sige. Paano ba? So, ito na. We will start. Ayan, syempre nakasombrero ako. Mainit, guys. Pero, ayan, let's start. Ayan, so ito, what will be our first step? So, guys, nandito yung mga halaman na sabi ko pwede nating pagpilian na dyan. So, sige, Mark. Ano ang first step natin?
Okay, so here's our first step if you want to do your own living wall. So you have your plants here. What's gonna happen is you're gonna be segregating the climbers from the crawlers.
So,
it's
itong
easier.
mga philodendron natin, kasi guys, ito yung mga napili ko na ilagay sa living wall.
Mhm.
No? Sige. So, magkaiba kasi you have climbers and
Crawlers.
crawlers. Okay.
So the climbers are the ones on the wall, and then the crawlers are on the ground, so it's easier.
Okay. So, ayan yung unang gagawin.
Yep.
Yan yung gagawin ng mga guys mo.
Yeah, the materials are here.
Ayan na, nandito na. Yes,
Yep.
exciting. Ito na guys. Ito na. Ayan na ang mga gamit for the living wall. Ito na ang mga coco fiber. There. Ayan na. Prefab na nila. Prefabricated na. Ito na yung mga gagamitin na mga coco cubes and coco fiber. Ayan. Exciting guys. Ayan na.
So we're gonna see the before now.
Oo. So, ang una natin, alin ba ang uunahin? This part here.
This part here.
Ayan guys. So, itong part na to, para mas magka-space po kami dito kasi may mga halaman dito sa baba. Ayan, it's eating up space eh. Yung mga yan. Then, gagawin na natin yung living wall. So, this part muna, no?
Mhm.
Mark, ayan. This part. And then,
And then this
ito.
one.
And then this part. Diyan, guys. I know it's beautiful. Kaya lang, guys, hindi na po komportableng kumilos kasi siksika na sila.
Or you're gonna be so happy
Oo.
when you see how much space you could save.
Oo. Oh, it looks nice. Actually, gusto ko tong pagiging crowded nitong area na to. Kaya lang, talagang kumukuha siya ng malaking space eh. So, ayan. Sige, so isi-segregate na.
Unahin muna
So,
natin
ito
to.
yung
It's
mga
easier.
nandiyan.
Okay, game guys. Move na natin. So,
Ayan.
dito tayo. Yung shade kailangan natin yung pag-plant. Dito muna, ibilad muna natin siya. Para we can move the plants na climbing and crawling. So, let's take this out.
Ayan na. So, ito na yung isang panel. Ano na to? Anong sukat nga nito?
This one's 4 feet by 4 feet.
4 feet.
And then we have
Yung thickness niya.
yes. This one is one of our latest innovations.
Oh.
It has 4 inches thickness, and then instead of cocoa fiber alone, we're adding cocoa cubes and then cocoa fiber on top. So technically, it has more moisture inside. And then here, we're gonna be putting a plant box.
Dito, ano?
So we're gonna be putting crawlers and the ones that grow like a rosette.
Dito yung crawlers. Sa baba.
Yes,
Ay,
the baba. And then here, climbers.
Dito yung climbers sa
Yep.
taas. Yes, I'm so excited.
And then we're gonna mix the colors. So basically, you're gonna have a very colorful wall.
Oo.
And you're gonna be surprised how it looks like
Yes, I'm so excited.
when it goes up.
Ayan, ito na yan guys. Ayan yung mga iba. Ito yung mga ibang halaman no, na
Yes,
ilalagay
these are,
natin.
we've categorized them. These are the ones that stays on the ground.
So,
So
ito
these
yung
are
sa
the-
ground around.
Yes, it grows like a rosette. Pababa lang siya.
Okay.
And then over there,
Yung mga
we
nandito,
the
climbers.
climbers and crawlers.
Ito, these are the climbers and crawlers.
So one of the basic principles of living wall is knowing the growth pattern. Hindi natin basta pwedeng ilagay kasi sayang if they're not gonna grow according to the wall. So basically the concept of the wall is instead of using a cocoa pole, so we have a cocoa wall.
Coco wall.
Diba?
no?
It's easier.
Oo nga naman, ano, tama.
Kasi
Kasi
dugtong
dun
tayo
sila
ng
magka-climb, no?
Yes.
Oo.
So that's the whole
Paano
concept.
pag lumagpas na siya dun sa coco wall?
Like for this one, di ba?
Oo.
We have 7 feet. Pag lumagpas na yun, it's time to propagate.
Okay. So, doon na natin ikakat, no?
Actually, I have a friend, he has a 25-foot wall.
Wow, oh my God. Ang laki ng bahay niya.
I know. Yung sa amin naman, it's, I think, mga 15 feet yun, 12 to 15 feet.
Oh, yung...
The background.
Oo, yung
So,
background.
masaya siya kasi from the ground, pataas siya.
Oo.
Kaya lang, the higher they are, the bigger the leaves. So, depending on what you wanted to achieve.
Sige.
Pero a 4-foot wall or a 7-foot wall, that's more than bongga na. So, happy ka na
Sige.
din.
Oo. Actually, may mga plants pa doon banda. May pwede pa
Yeah.
tayong kunin doon. Kasi
Yes.
baka...
We're just freeing up the space,
Oo.
basically, we install everything. And then, that's when we start imagining how it would look like.
Okay.
So, technically, it's like this.
Oo.
Pero, you're gonna have like this spots covered talaga. So, that's how it works. And then, we're gonna teach you how to put it on the wall using pots.
Ah.
So, nakapot pa rin siya.
Oh.
Yes. Para ngayon, it's
Dito.
easier.
Ah, alright.
Here and on this side.
So, may pots pa rin na nakalagay dyan?
Yes, meron pa rin. You're gonna see how the wonder works.
Okay, sige, sige. Interesting.
Yes.
Ayan. Grabe, ang laki ng space na kinakain niya ngayon. So, ngayon,
You're gonna be surprised how it
pagkakasyahin
looks.
natin sila dito.
Ito, we have 2
And
4-foot
this. Oh.
walls. Ito, we're gonna work basically on how the current structure is.
Oo.
So, it's easier to ano.
So, mafe-free up
Orange.
na itong space ko na ito. Ayan.
Yes. And this one too.
And this, oo nga,
Yes,
no?
you're just gonna have one vertical wall. Actually, now, it looks like kasha na to. But you're gonna be surprised, it's only gonna fill up probably half.
Half, oo.
Or
So,
less.
magagamit pa natin yung mga ibang halaman doon.
So,
Sige.
for you guys who has a lot of plants na you wanna make it, you know, organized, having a wall is the solution.
Yes, you're right. Kaya nga eh. Yun talagang naisip namin mag-asawa. So, itong material, anong klaseng bakal ito, no? For everybody to know, ano yung appropriate na bakal na gamitin.
Yeah. I need you guys to look for the thickest possible that you could see. Kung kaya po ng budget natin, mag-stainless tayo.
Oo, kung kaya, no?
Kung kaya, if not
Mag-stainless.
naman, ang easiest solution is, we're using this. This is 1/4 the thickest. And we're using the galvanized. Hindi siya
Galvanized.
yung, ano, medyo mahal siya ng konti, pero I encourage everybody to invest on the right materials because mas matagal siya.
So,
Imagine,
hindi siya basta-basta mag-rust?
una,
or-
it's galvanized, and then as
Oo.
you can see, we painted it with epoxy primer pa.
Ah, epoxy primer pa yung ginamit dito.
Yes.
Okay.
So, talagang protected siya. And then this one is really thick. This one is really heavy.
Oo nga, no?
As you can see, sobrang bigat nito. So we use high quality materials to make sure that your living wall would last for more than 10 years.
Okay, very good.
That's how it works.
Ayan. Oh, no, this one kasi babad to sa water. Kaya,
Yes. The main goal of having a wall, okay, is to have moisture retention for your plants, especially the climbing ones. So ito po, super babad siya sa water. That's why it's important to use galvanized iron and to use a good coating of epoxy primer. Para sure na sure tayo na talagang tatagal po siya. Kasi that's the goal. Moisture. And moisture po ang kalaban ng bakal.
oo nga, no? Kasi magkakalawang siya.
Yes.
No,
Our
if you're
wall,
not-
it's been there for I think more than 2 years na. And it's still, you know, good as new. No rust, no anything. Kasi we used high quality materials talaga.
Ayan, they're filling up the frame with cocoa cubes and cocoa fiber na. Ayan na.
Ah, wow. Ang ganda ng ating lindeni ay. Ayan na. Ito na. Ayan, guys. May laman na. May laman na yung ating living wall.
Okay lang, madam?
Ay, okay lang. Oh, go ahead. Oh. Guys, so, ayan, inabot na kami ng magagabi na. So,
Yes.
look at that. That's the progress for today. Na lagay na po nila, na-install na nila. Ang ganda, no? Medyo pulido. ang
We had to
anong
work
tawag?
with
Ang
the
frame,
terrain.
no?
Yep,
The frame.
the frame.
And then, ayan, yung mga halaman na mga ilalagay, no, organized na. Where are those?
Ayun.
Nandito.
So the climbers and crawlers are here.
Yan. Ayan guys. So, tomorrow ulit, they will be back to continue. And guys, ayan. This is the first part of our journey. Yung ating living wall journey with Mark from Masitera and the rest of the team. Ayan, Mark.
So, watch out for the progress, guys. See you again tomorrow.
Yes. Bye.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.